Ever stared at your reflection and wondered, why do I look like I've lost a round with a heavyweight boxer when I've only been battling my regular schedule? Dark circles under the eyes, those unsightly shadows that make us look older, tired, and stressed, are a common issue that many of us grapple with. But fear not, for there are remedies to this plight. The first step in this battle against the shadows is to ensure you're getting enough sleep. It's called beauty sleep for a reason after all. Establishing a consistent sleep schedule where you're clocking in 7 to 9 hours of shut-eye each night can make a significant difference in reducing the appearance of dark circles. Next, consider the power of cold compresses or chilled cucumber slices. These age-old remedies are not just spa cliches, they genuinely work. The cold temperature helps to reduce puffiness and constrict blood vessels, thereby lightening those dark circles. Now let's talk about nourishing your skin. The under-eye area is delicate and requires special care. Incorporating a good eye cream into your skincare routine can make a world of difference. Look for ingredients like vitamin C, retinol, or hyaluronic acid. These power-packed ingredients hydrate and brighten the under-eye area, giving it the TLC it needs. Of course, protecting your skin from sun damage is a must. The sun's harsh rays can darken and damage your skin, exacerbating the appearance of dark circles. So, always remember to wear sunscreen and a pair of chic sunglasses when you step out. Hydration is another key player in this game. Drinking plenty of water helps to flush out toxins from your body and keeps your skin looking fresh and rejuvenated. Reducing your salt intake can also help minimize fluid retention, which can lead to puffiness and dark circles. Makeup, the magic wand in our beauty arsenal, can also come to your rescue. Concealer or color-correcting makeup can camouflage dark circles, giving you a fresh, bright-eyed look. This is a temporary solution, but a handy one when you need to look your best. Last, but by no means least, is maintaining a balanced diet rich in antioxidants and vitamins. The health of your skin reflects what you put in your body. A diet that includes plenty of fruits and vegetables can promote overall skin health and reduce the appearance of dark circles. So, to sum it up, battling dark circles involves getting enough sleep, using cold compresses, nourishing your skin with the right eye cream, protecting your skin from the sun, staying hydrated, using makeup when needed, and maintaining a healthy diet. Remember, consistency and patience are key in achieving visible improvements. It may be a bit of a journey, but it's a journey towards a healthier, brighter you. And isn't that worth it?